This is a brand new 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a navigation system, a DVD video player, leather seats, an air suspension, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a cooled passenger seat, and an anti-theft protection system. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.